those tools get you thinking differently, tactic-wise. Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY. What also makes somebody better than you isn't just physical prowess, isn't just their jiu-jitsu skills are better or their boxing is better. Give them a fucking gun. The guy brings a gun. The guy has a fucking knife. The guy has a machete. The guy has, or two or three of them. They have lead pipes. They have fucking bats. They have whatever the fuck. That makes people fucking better. You know, even if they're not trained in how to use a knife's fucking deadly. A gun can be fucking, obviously, all these things can be deadly. So again, it's changing the perception of all of this stuff. So we got to flip the fucking board on these guys. Natural, designed, and expedient. You have to have this bigger scope. Because at the end of the day, 2-3 guys come up to you, but you understand and you're looking around and you go, listen, but I don't just have an elbow. I don't just have an eye gouge. I don't just have my natural athleticism and talent and level of training and all that stuff. You have a litany of things that make you infinitely fucking better. Those tools get you thinking differently, tactic-wise. Right? Because you're like, oh, how could I use this? Bet I could use this. How could I use the spit in my mouth? How could I use this fork? How could I use this plastic bag? I got a belt on. How could I use this belt? And again, most people would go, oh, so like a tool, like you're going to beat them with the belt. You're going to beat them with plastic knives and forks. No, tactics are not tools. Right? And then you start getting into the strategy.